Welcome back to the channel. As always, if you like unboxing videos or Funko Pops, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons. Today I've got a Toy USA mystery box. That's a damage box. That's the first damage box I've gotten, and I'm just because it's kind of weird. You don't know what you're going to get at all. So hopefully they're not in too bad a shape, and we actually came out ahead on this one. So this one, I believe, was $80. It's got 4 pops in it. If there's a 2-pack, that counts as 2 pops. Kind of kills me. It's a mystery box that's damaged, but they've got a fragile sticker on the packaging. Let's see what we got. Okay, the first one we got is the Grady twins from The Shining. Looks like it's a pop culture exclusive. Kind of cool, like the actual box. They got like blood specks all over it. It's a cool pop. There's some damage in the corners a little bit, but not too bad. I expected to be in worse shape than that, so that's a win. Okay, from the movie WALL-E, looks like we got Evie. Special edition of some sort. It's not a bad looking one. It's a pretty good movie. And also from WALL-E, we got WALL-E. Another special edition. Both in good shape, so came out good on that one. Let's go ahead and see what they're worth. First we got Evie. Apparently it's not one to scan very good because of the box being brown. And okay. It's worth $26. Then we got WALL-E. It's worth $43. So I mean, between those two, they're $69. As long as this is worth more than $11, then they're coming out good. Yeah, that one. That's the one we got. It's worth $34. So I mean, all in all, that's what $103 for $80 we invested. We came out decent on that one. Hopefully these ones aren't too flooded on everything right now to where they start dropping in price all of a sudden, but it's part of the whole reselling and unboxing part of it. As always, link to eBay stores in the description. That's all I got. Have a good one.